Oh.
Alright. So, this is my fireworks stash for the year. I got the crackling artillery shells, the whistling artillery shells, and last but not least, the assorted artillery shells. Red, green, and blue. And then we got my mini cakes, my mini salutes. My little sister traded me for them. She also traded me for this. It's called Jester. It's a big 25 shot cake. And that is a Jet. Now, I'm going to combine all of our stuff together now. That's some of her stuff. Alright, Roxy. Combine it all together. I also got some new shoes. I'll help you out.
Okay.
Put some things up here.
A little cake right there. More knights. Knight. Cake there. Got a perfect princess cake there. And that is all of my fireworks. So, yeah, pretty much. And got some Be the King. Gotta be the king. You know you gotta be the king.
And this, guys, is mine and Roxy's fireworks stash for 2016 for July 4th.